Hello and welcome to today's Gold IRA video. We're answering a question that we get almost every day. Are Gold IRA a scam? But before we do, we want to remind you that precious metals IRA can be confusing, which is why we have a detailed Gold IRA guide that can help to answer all of your questions. Secure your financial future today with our free Gold IRA investment kit. It's packed with all the detailed information you need to make an informed decision. Now let's dive in to answer today's question. Are Gold IRA legitimate? Gold IRA have skyrocketed in popularity over recent years. These investment tools allow you to hold physical gold and other precious metals right within your retirement accounts. Precious metals such as gold and silver have a long-standing reputation for guarding against inflation, making it an attractive asset for retirement portfolios. The IRS has strict guidelines for Gold IRA, ensuring they are handled correctly and legally. First, you need to use an approved trustee and an approved depository, and only certain types of precious metals can be held. Physical gold in an IRA must be stored in an IRS-approved depository, which undergoes regular audits to ensure the gold is authentic. All of these points and many more are covered in our free gold investment kit, which is available online. So, should you invest in a Gold IRA? The first thing to consider is whether you prefer having a physical investment in your portfolio, as opposed to a gold company stock or a mutual fund that tracks a gold index. With the right planning and execution, investing in a Gold IRA can serve as a safe way to diversify your retirement portfolio and hedge against inflation. Remember, while a Gold IRA can be a good way to diversify your retirement investments, it's important to consider the costs and potential risks involved. Gold IRA rules can be complicated, but there is a simpler way to learn about them with our guide. So to sum it up, Gold IRA are not a scam. An IRA in precious metals is legitimate when all the rules are followed. They are a viable and legal option for diversifying your portfolio. Don't let another moment pass by. Secure your financial future today with our free Gold IRA investment kit. It's packed with all the detailed information you need to make an informed decision. Remember, the best time to invest in your future is now. Click the link to get your free gold investment kit immediately and start your journey to a more secure and stable retirement. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more informative content, and remember, the key to successful investing in gold is staying informed with the education provided in our guide.